Welcome back. Former PWD Minister Churchill Alemao has moved for anticipatory bail at Sessions Court in Margao. Sandra Mascarenhas had filed a complaint against Alemao alleging damage of public property. Churchill claimed the case is false and mischievous. He says it is to defame him with political support. The case will come up for hearing on 18th February. Churchill Alemao has filed for an anticipatory bail at the Sessions Court in Margao on Friday. Churchill claims that the case is just to defame him by taking support of his political opponents. However, the complainant Sandra Mascarenhas has filed a complaint as Alemao caused damage to the public property by digging the tarred road leading to her house. Churchill claimed that his nephews have done some work in the property which has been purchased by them. He said they were only doing some work to develop a garden in front of his house. However, Sandra claims otherwise. The hearing on the anticipatory bail is on 18th February. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent. Weights and Measures Department raided Bharat Sales and Services electrical appliances in Margao on Friday. The officials seized goods worth 4,50,000 rupees. The electrical appliances had no manufacturing date, no price sticker or address on the articles sold. Fans, grinder blades, electrical cutters, drilling machines, etc. were seized by the officials.
We found that he had in possession tools without bearing the mandatory declarations required under the package commodity rules. The packages did not bear the name and address, the MRP and the date of manufacturing. For that reason, the packages were seized and detained under Panchanama. He had in his possession packages of tools, then bearings. The bearing did not bear any mandatory declarations required under the rules. Hence, the material round about 4.5 lakhs was seized under Panchanama, and the further action as per law shall be taken.
North Goa Zilla Panchayat has charged that 14 crores fund from Rural Development Agency allotted to Goa was sent back to central government unutilized. ZPs also complain of staff crunch. Zilla Panchayat has reiterated their demand of decentralizing powers, subjects and funds to the ZPs. A 10-member committee was formed on Friday at a meeting held in Febuary.
पहली ऑफिस आमकां कमी पडटाले आता त्या ऑफिसान आमकां स्टाफ ना जाल्या स्टाफाच्या नावान आमकां पयलीं पेट्साचे 5 स्टाफ आसलो आमचे कडेन पेट्साचे तर तांकां सगळ्या स्टाफांक आयज खंय ना खंय तरी तांकां फिक्स परमनंट जॉब मेळिल्लो आसा आनी आमचे कडेन स्टाफाच्या नांवार फक्त एकूच क्लर्क उरलेलो आसा आनी तो क्लर्क आतां कितली कामां करतलो आमचे कडेन 5 जेई आसा 30 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज नियरली 90 वर्क नवी कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करची असो डिसिजन घेतलेलो आसा आनी ती एक 10 मेंबराची कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट केल्ली आसा. वी रिक्वेस्ट द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा की आमकां कितें फंड्स दिवचो आमची पावर्स आम फंक्शन अजिबात आमकां पावर्स ना जाल्लो आसा फंड्स ना जाल्ले आसा त्या फाटी आरडीएचो एज पर माय नॉलेज थ्रू सम रिलायबल सोर्स आरडीएचो 14 crores फंड इज सेंट बैक टू द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट फॉर नॉट युटिलायझिंग द फंड्स.
Prajat Pednekar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.